everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp. So first of all, you can simply open your WhatsApp, and if you simply open your chats here, if you see any unusual thing, then you need to expect that someone might be monitoring you. So if you again go to calls, and if there are any unusual things like calls that you haven't made, if you see those things, then you have to remember that someone might be monitoring you. So another thing to check is simply tap on your profile icon right here. And then if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of linked devices. If you simply tap on it, all of the devices that you are currently linked will be shown in here. But if you see a device that does not belong to you, or you haven't linked your device, then that would be a serious problem. So you need to log out from that device. So for example, if this is the particular device that I don't recognize, then I'm going to tap on it, and then your Face ID or any passkey will be required. And after doing that, all you need to do is tap on log out and log your WhatsApp out from this device. So another way to secure your WhatsApp is to simply turn on your two-step verification, for which again you'll have to simply get through the file option just like this, and then from here you're going to scroll down and then tap on account. So after doing that, here you can see two-step verification, tap on it and then tap on turn on. Then here you'll have to create a 6-digit PIN in order to secure your two-step verification. So you have to remember this 6-digit PIN in order to secure your account. Just like this, I have created one. Now I have to type that again in order to confirm. And after doing that, here you can see now my two-step verification is being turned on. And if you want to add your email address to your WhatsApp account, you can tap on add email, and like that you'll be able to secure your account more. But not, then you can simply skip and then tap on skip email again. And just like this, here you can see your two-step verification has been turned on. And like that, you'll be able to see if someone's monitoring your WhatsApp account or not. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.